how to change slide background color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily format background color in your PowerPoint slide. Let's get started. Open up your Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you need to go to the layout on the left hand side, right click on it, and then you will see format background. Tap on it, and on the right hand side you can see solid fill. Make sure it's selected there, and then you can see color. Tap on the drop down and then choose the color of your choice. I'll click on yellow, and there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.